Speed up prospecting with custom email templates. Hi, this is Sergio Salas for DoItByTheHour.com, and I'm a freelancer just like you. Do It by the Hour is an integrated software solution for freelancers that includes project management, invoicing, Stripe integration, booking calendars, expense tracking, CRM tools, accounting, and more. Learn how to create templates to speed up your email workflow. To build an email list, go to the dashboard and click the Do It button under Get Work. On the Get Work page, click the Email Templates button in the Outreach section. On the Email Templates page, click the Create Email Template button. Enter the name of the template as well as the subject and body. Use the delimited tags shown on the screen for company name, first name, and last name. This will be replaced with the contact's information when you're sending emails to help personalize it. Click the Save button when you're done. On the Email Templates page, you can view, edit, or delete a template by clicking the appropriate button. Ready to take your freelancing career to the next level? Give us a try with 30 days of unlimited access for free. Get started today on www.doitbythehour.com.